Okay, so this is my first time trying to connect the Bluetooth in the Nexa 4S. Okay, it's real time, people. We do go to the phone.
Oh yeah.
Oh, device, Topway.
And then Bluetooth. Sort.
Okay, so I go to my phone. Topway. Okay, so that was easy. Pairing. Pair.
And then you just type in your 0000.
Okay, so now let's go to music. Oh, so it says it's connected.
Your volume up.
Now there's a volume here. Okay, so we're gonna go back to music. Oh, maybe I have to put the password in there.
There it is.
Oh, so it's all touch screen.
Yeah, and then I just hit, yeah. But you got to go to music though, no?
Yeah, so let me go to music.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my God. Okay, see, it's more.
There it is. Oh.
Oh, there we go. I would like more sound than that.
I think you got to do it internally on the screen.
Okay, so
I think because it's got to go louder than that.
Oh, it connected. So this is, I knew this was Apple playlist, and I'm a little older. I don't know all this shit sometimes. Apple, this is why most of my customers will be able to relate to me. Network display. Wow, so it just connects to the whole phone. But I would like some more sound of that music.
Yeah.
And I've got it cranked all the way.
I'm sure there's a master volume in there somewhere. There's got to be an EQ too, I would think.
Oh, what's an EQ? Oh, I know what that is, yeah.
Like your bass treble and all that stuff.
If I hit music? Okay. All right, let me go and try to make a call. I'm gonna call Sherry. Oh, there we go. Let's see if she answers. Okay, so you can... Hello? Hi, you're on our YouTube video. I'm connected to my Bluetooth in the new 4S. Say hello to everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, bye. Okay, that's actually pretty easy. I wouldn't call it easy, but I'm not that great with this kind of stuff. The music, though, I know.
Well, it's connected. You get to play with your toy when you're.
But I want some loud music. Like I want. Okay, and there's your phone. That's cool. That's super easy. I got all of that. I can see my 4S there. That's cool.